Hook, most Americans assume they're living paycheck to paycheck because of lifestyle inflation, but there's a more surprising culprit behind the mystery. Problem: you're working hard for your money, but where is it going? You could be making $50,000 a year and still struggling to save. Main content: the truth is that most people are losing around 20 to 30% of their paycheck due to unnecessary expenses like subscription services, credit card interest, and overspending. For example, let's say you're making $40,000 a year with an average credit card balance of $2,500 and a few unwanted subscriptions like Netflix and gym memberships that add up to $100 per month. That means around $10,000 is lost each year just from these expenses alone. To turn this around, create a budget and track your spending to identify areas where you can cut back. Implement the 50/30/20 rule: 50% for necessities like rent and utilities, 30% for discretionary spending, and 20% for saving and debt repayment. Call to action: start taking control of your finances today by implementing these simple changes. Make a budget, eliminate unnecessary expenses, and start building an emergency fund to ensure you're prepared for the future. Remember, every little bit counts, and even small changes can add up over time. Subscribe to Money Mindset Daily for a new money tip every single day.